Having previously taken a look at the extra versatility offered by the Ace Pro utility frame, if you're looking to take things a step further and use your Ace Pro more like a conventional handheld system, then Insta360 have you covered with this brand new setup, the Explorer Grip Kit. Action cameras are typically designed to be used while mounted or attached to some kind of support, like a selfie stick or a fixed mount of some kind. Their ergonomics aren't ideal for handheld use, which is why Insta360 have now launched this new Explorer Grip Kit for the Ace Pro and the Ace Pro 2 cameras. The bundle includes multiple accessories, which Insta360 says is the ultimate tool for street photography and urban travel. With all parts being constructed from aluminum alloy and stainless steel, with a few spots of silicone here and there for added protection, comfort and general grip, co-developed with Tilta, a popular and experienced camera accessory manufacturer, it all starts with the actual frame mount then. Sporting both the Insta360 as well as the Tilta branding, this tough metal frame aims to add complete protection to the camera and forms the basis of the kit. A small latch in the top corner is used to release the side door, which now provides ample space for the camera to slide straight in, after which the door can be raised and pushed to lock into place. Note this frame is compatible with the original Ace Pro as well as the Ace Pro 2 we have here, and with it locked into position it sits very secure, no wiggle room or any other movement whatsoever. With the frame in place then, we do of course maintain easy access to all camera features. Nothing is covered or hidden away. In fact, these buttons have a really nice tactile feel to them and are raised, making them nice and easy to operate. The microphones are clear and open, and the side door protecting the camera's USB port and memory card slot is easily accessible. No issues there at all. On the opposite side, the battery compartment is also accessible thanks to an additional lock that slides upwards to release the door, in order to reach the camera's own battery door as normal. A nice added touch. Otherwise, the rear screen is still accessible and can be rotated fully in either direction, no issues there, and we finish off with a cold shoe attachment point at the top, making it perfect for lights and other accessories should the need arise. So while the frame will add some protection, note that because of the nature of the camera, with its front lens cover, which can be replaced regardless, but more so the rear screen being exposed, some care does still need to be taken during use. Talking of use, when it comes to mounting, we maintain access to the quick release mounting point on the bottom, which is compatible with the standard mount, as well as the quick release mount, which is my personal favourite. We also have an additional mounting point on the side, very handy for switching between horizontal and vertical orientations for those who like to shoot in portrait for the likes of Instagram or TikTok. Although I did notice some wiggle room when mounting vertically, not a deal breaker, but a point to note if you're a vertical shooter. Sticking with the side for the moment, notice the metal 1/4 inch 20 thread built right into the middle of Insta360's standard magnetic mounting point. This thread is primarily placed for attaching the included hand grip, and it's this one accessory that can completely change how you use the setup. Maintaining the solid metal construction throughout, with a silicone grip for added comfort and gripability, this thing feels solid. With the Tilta branding that shows they had heavy involvement with the design, not only does the shape and feel fit alongside their other hand grips, we have this built-in Tilta tool that's held in the bottom too, so it's always with you and within reach, and is used to connect the grip to the side of the frame. Once secured into position, the tool slides back into the bottom for safekeeping. Designed for comfort during long shoots and to reduce handheld shakes that could otherwise blur the perfect shot, the ergonomic grip transforms the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 into a proper handheld camera. To finish off the design, also included is a shutter button extension, which slides neatly into the cold shoe mount at the top of the frame, and now places the shutter control ergonomically at the end of your finger, providing a tactile, classic camera way to start recording or take images. The cold shoe mount passes through to the shutter extension, so it's still available should you wish to use it, although a small piece is provided to fill the gap. This doesn't add any extra functionality, it's more a decorative piece than anything else, but finishes the design off nicely. Finally, we have a lanyard attachment point built into the top edge of the hand grip, which can be used to attach the included, rather substantial wrist strap, making sure this thing never leaves you during even the most extreme adventures. Of course, the camera can be removed at any time without having to deconstruct the entire kit, although note that while the Ace Pro 2 isn't the lightest action camera out there in the first instance, this entire setup will naturally add some extra weight. But know that this isn't designed to mount to your body while set up in this configuration. It's actually nice to have the extra weight in your hand and helps to add some stability while in use. I've personally actually started using this more than my smartphone while out and about. It really is comfortable and convenient to use, especially with that flip-up screen, meaning you don't have to hold the camera up in front of your face at all times. Coupled with the quick release mount, it can be easily attached to tripods or other mounts in a pinch too, making it a fantastic overall solution. While smartphones do have some degree of image stabilization, they don't come close to the abilities of an action camera that's sole purpose is to capture smooth video footage, and this setup really has turned what was my personal favorite action camera into my new favorite portable handheld camera too. In essence then, this is still a small portable action camera, so the hand grip itself is still rather small. It won't fill your hand for a tight grip, but even so it's still actually quite comfortable. And as an entire kit, it offers a well-designed combination of enhanced functionality and refined aesthetics. Whether for street photography, urban adventures, or on-the-go vlogging, this bundle provides an optimized experience for capturing high-quality content. It takes away the action cam feel and brings more of a traditional camera feel and grip, opening up a whole new way to use your Ace Pro.